Hi there and welcome back to another GoHR tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the process of onboarding employees into GoHR. It's simple, straightforward, and ensures you have all the necessary details in place. Let's get started. First, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the option labeled HR Management. Next to it is an arrow. You need to click on it, and three options will drop down. Click on the option Employees. This takes you to a page with multiple options. On the top row, you'll see All, which is under Employees. Click on that. If you've already added employees, you'll see a kind of sheet or table displaying their details. But if you haven't onboarded anyone yet, don't worry. You'll see an option at the top right corner labeled Add Employees. Click on that to start the onboarding process. Once you click Add Employee, a form will appear on your screen. This is where you'll input the basic information about the employee, like their first name, their middle name, the gender, the CNIC, the contact information, the emergency contact information. After you fill out the form, all you need to do is you need to select the preferred method of contact and then click on the next step. Now, you'll need to fill out the new role information. Here's what's required. Job title. For example, if the person is Senior Sales Manager, you'll mention that in the box. About the department, we'll leave this blank for now because we haven't set up the departments yet, and no need to worry because we'll learn that in the upcoming videos. Next we have is employment type. Here you need to indicate whether the employee is full-time employee, part-time, or he's on the contract basis. For now, we have chosen part-time as the option. Next we have is join date. Pick the start date. We'll take it as 3rd of December. And about the job description, you need to provide a brief description of the responsibilities. For example, generating leads, selling product, or doing some kind of research. It's up to you. There are so many options, or you need to mention the description according to the responsibilities they are assigned. So, for the end date, this is optional and only required if their role has a set end date. Lastly, you'll see an option to enable employee login. When you click on it, the employee will automatically receive an email with instruction to create their GoHR account. Once you have completed all the fields, click Next Step and you're done. Congratulations, your employee is now successfully onboarded into GoHR. Onboarding employee this way ensures all the essential details are in place from day one. Plus, enabling login helps them get started with their own GoHR access. In the next video, I will guide you through managing employee roles and permission and important steps to streamline workflows. Thank you for watching, and I'll